with you the details about a couple of other upcoming open mics or the tech talks that we are planning in future, and then we can have the question and answer session if you have any queries. Moving on, I believe most of you are already aware about what is configuration management. I just want to touch base for any newbies or who are new to the configuration management domain. We are on slide 4 for reference. So to just give a brief, configuration management is all about managing your versions, codes, and the products that you are developing in your day-to-day activities. I'm sure that everybody would be doing one or the other changes on their source code, maybe whatever tool you are using. So it's very important to identify and store all your artifacts and the files and directories or the installers onto a repository, which will also help you in controlling the audit-related activities, which will also help you in creating certain baselines or project milestones as and when you are completing a project. And at the same time, you would also like to track the progress, and at any given point of time, you would want to record what are all files have gone into the source control, and hand in hand, you would also be having the defects which are raised against your product. So at any given point of time, you would want to understand what are the files or the code that is pertaining to this particular defect. So that tracking is also a major part of the configuration management. At the same time, you would also want to ensure that there is a proper build that is possible, and you would also want to integrate at regular intervals early and often in your development effort. So these are some of the main tasks that you would be targeting in a configuration management space. So how can ClearCase help you when you are looking at the SCM domain? So ClearCase is one of the industry-leading solutions from IBM Rational, which has a sophisticated version control, workspace management, and it will also help you in parallel development, which is one of the unique features in ClearCase, which is a multi-site feature in ClearCase. So why ClearCase? You would want to go to ClearCase because it has a lightweight client for you, which is very flexible. You can customize ClearCase to your core based on your project requirements. It is supported on a wide range of operating system and platforms where you can install your ClearCase. And it's a real-time access to all the source code that exists onto your WOB. WOB, when I say it is the repository where you will store all your source code related data. And it can scale to any size of development community or your team. It can also cater for a small work group. It can also cater for a big enterprise level of deployment. It has a very good integration with many of the IDEs like Eclipse, Visual Studio.NET. We also have recently introduced for Cadence. So it has integration with the leading IDEs. Majorly, the key thing is the parallel development, the multi-site that is present in ClearCase. So having all these, you can easily manage your software configuration management space in your organization. So having ClearCase, what all things are possible? It helps you in mitigating the cost and effectively working in a team to streamline the delivery process of your source code or the product at the end of the day. So this is possible by implementing the process. I think you all know in ClearCase we have the UCM, Unified Chain Management, which is tightly coupled with the process. And you can improve the efficiency of an individual and as well as the team productivity. This is possible by automating most of the processes, and you can script, you can code your own customizable triggers, builds and scripts, which will help you in increasing the delivery at the end of the day. And it will also help you in increasing the quality of the software or the product that you're delivering. This is because ClearCase implements most of the prominent and uh, consistent industry proven best practices in the design, which will help you and make sure that you are not deviating from the best known practices at any given point of time. So these are the major advantages of using ClearCase. So this was for somebody who's new to ClearCase, so I think this would help them in understanding why and what is ClearCase and where it will help them. Going to the next slide. So what is the need for today? So when you speak to anybody or each and every person, they would always are looking for faster internet, faster delivery, speed trains. So whenever you speak with anyone, they want to get the works done as soon as possible. So the first thing is speed. So they would want to look speed at in anything or any product or any service that they are looking at. At the same time, performance. Nobody would want to compromise on the performance. Yes, we would need the speed, but we want it to be performing at a consistent level. So these are the main themes which we are concentrating in the latest version, that is ClearCase 8.0. That is the performance and the usability improvements that we have done in ClearCase 8.0. So it is fast, yes. It is slick, yes. And it's cool. It's cool because it has many of the latest or I can say great features which has been improvised and implemented into the latest version. So having said this, I would want to take you and